Hello everyone. Today's explanation is about the do until loop. This loop differs from the while and while loop in that it tests the loop condition at the end of the loop rather than at the beginning. We will take an example to write a program which tests someone on powers of 2 up to 2 power 12. First, we need to know that we have a random condition. We will put in it suppose A and B. It generates a random integer between A and B. Now we will start by writing our program. We start by do. We are going to put in variable power random 2 and 12. And then we will put in variable power of 2. We're going to put 2 and put the sign of the power and put beside it the variable power which contains random 2 and 12. Then we're going to put in variable answer an input message to the user and ask the user what is 2 to the power of between quotations, and then we put comma and put the variable power which is going to appear beside the input message 12. After the user enters his answer, we're going to check an if condition. If answer is equal the variable power of 2, then we're going to print to the user by putting correct, well done between brackets and quotations. While if the answer is not equal to power of 2, we're going to continue to else and print to the user no, it is. We put it between quotations so that it can be shown to the user, and then put comma and put the correct variable of power of 2 so that the user will know the correct answer. Then we're going to get out from the if condition by writing and if. Then we have a variable which is called another go and put in it an input message which is another go, answer y or n, which is yes or no. We put it between quotations and brackets. Here the user must put y, so the answer is yes. It means the user needs to enter another time to the program. While if the answer was n, which is no, we have a condition to end the program by writing until. While until another go is equal n, it means that the program must stop when the user enters n. But if the user always enters y, it means the program will not stop until the user puts n.